So, good afternoon, ma'am. My report is Chapter 4, Usurpation. Article 312, Occupation of Real Property or Usurpation of Rights in Property. Any person who, by means of violence against or intimidation of person, shall take possession of any real property or shall usurp any real rights in property belonging to another, shall be punished by a fine from 50 to 100% of gain which he shall have obtained but not less than 15,000 pesos. So, ang Article 312 is na itulo ka requisite. So, ang first is that the accused took possession of another's real property or usurp real rights in another property. So, ang kaning one is, ang offender kuno is nakuha ani took possession niya nga gikuha niya ang isa ka property nga naka naitag iya nga lain. Second is that the possession or usurpation was committed with violence or intimidation. So kani kuno yung pag usurpation kuno is nagamit siya og violence or intimidation or gihadlok niya ang sa ka tawo para dili pa ng saka property. So, ang third is that the accused had animo lucrandi. So, na siya intent to gain. So, na siya intention yun nga ana nga kuan. Then, Article 313 altering boundaries or landmark. So, any person who shall alter the boundary mark or monument of towns, province or state or any other thing shall be punished by arrest or a fine not exceeding 20,000 pesos. So, kani ko ng altering boundaries is kani isang katong monument bitaw mana siya forma na lingin sana siminto tas direct ko na is kung imo ko na ng once ko na imo ko na move or alter is na money case. So magbayad kag 20,000 pesos. So chapter 5 culpable insolvency. Article 314 fraudulent insolvency is any person who shall with his property to prejudice of his creditors. So kani is kaning fraudulent is dili siya may mga utang na tao which is itaguan niya, itago siya para di siya mapanilingan. So naman diri ingon is property. So ang kani ko nung nakautang is na siya property. But kana nga properties example kana ang nakautang is gihatag niya ang property siyang anak. So para ang katong agyutangan niya is wala siya makuha. So mo ni ang Article 314. So that's all. Thank you.